guys, welcome back to Lola Loops and Stitches. In this video I'm showing you how to make extended single crochet stitches. For demonstration purposes, all I'm using in this video is a Susan Bates crochet hook 5.mm and a worsted yarn by Lion Brand, the Heartland series. So let's start by, what is extended single crochet stitch? Well, the extended single crochet stitch is a variation of the single crochet, but we add an additional step, okay, in the process. It gives you this step, it gives you more height, and it gives you also another different texture, slightly different, actually give a little bit more drape to your work. Now, for single crochet stitch, you're going to start as you do any single crochet normally do, okay? So you insert your hook in the corresponding stitch, of course, yarn over, pull up a loop, so you have 2 loops on your hook. Now you're going to yarn over again, and you're going to draw the yarn through the first loop. So if you see, the difference is that in a single crochet stitch, we draw the yarn through the 2 loops and we're done. But in this case, we just draw the yarn through 1 loop first, and then you yarn over again and draw the yarn through the other 2 loops. Okay? And you see, these 2 here are double crochet stitches, and this one is a single crochet, extended single crochet stitches. Not much the difference, right? It looks pretty much the same height, okay? The only difference between these 2 is that this one is more flexible, so that's why I give more, the weight is less than the double crochet stitch. That's the difference. Another thing that benefit about the extended single crochet stitch is that you can keep adding height. So if you want to not do the 3 chain or 2 chain for turning point, but instead you want to use the extended single crochet stitch, you can do so, and it looks nice and smooth on the side. Okay, that's just a little tip. Let's do it again. You insert your hook, you yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, you have your 2 loops on your hook, yarn over again, draw the yarn through the first loop, and yarn over again and draw the yarn through the 2 other loops. And that's it. Very easy. Let me do it again so you can see. It's so easy to do. This is how it's done. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Also, down below, besides the materials, you're going to also find my website to lolaloopsandstitches.com. You can go there, visit, read a little bit about my story, and then right below at the end, very bottom, you can find where you can add your email to sign up for newsletter. Okay, so see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey, check out my other videos where I'm showing necessary skills needed to grow faster in the crochet world. You can find Lola Loops and Stitches on Pinterest, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram.